going on? I'm KP.
I'm GenoJ.
The real estate
Gurus.
And today we're back over here at the new build on Lockwood. So we're just going to walk you through it and show you what's going on and go over these prices with you.
All right, guys, we are at the Lockwood house, and I want to talk to you about where we're at now. Of course, the foundation is done, the garage slab is done as well, and we just finished framing the house. We have the windows in, and we're about to start the mechanicals. So let's go inside and we'll show you the layout, and we'll talk to you about some of the costs behind this project. So this is the garage that we're in, and right now we're in the process of ordering the garage door. It should be here in the next day or two. Floors in, this area is pretty much done. The biggest issues that we've had with this house right now has not necessarily been like with labor. Most of the stuff has been weather. Like, we had a lot of weather issues because it was cold, it was raining all the time. And then once we got past the weather, some of the other issues that we're having is cost of material. I don't know if you've been paying attention or not, or if you're out there doing construction projects yourself, but if you don't know this, lumber prices has almost tripled. We originally budgeted about $20,000 to $25,000 on lumber, and our lumber price came back at $48,000. You know, used to I could do a house for myself right around $90, $95 a square feet. Right now, it's costing $110 a square feet, my price, to build houses. So if you're hiring a GC out there, you know, you can expect to pay, you know, $120 or $130 a square foot for a decent home. So let's go in and we'll talk about the layout, some of the things that we've done, some of the stuff that we learned, and kind of go from there. So right here is where the front door is going to go. So we're going to have a 9 feet front door with skylights to make it really nice, so you have a grand entrance. And of course we have the really high ceilings. So those ceilings are going to give you that wow factor when you come in. Now, this is the first time that I've built this house. And anytime you built the house for the first time, sometimes on paper it looks good, but then when you start framing it and then you get in there, it's kind of a little weird. So we originally had the stairs start here, and the stairs were gonna start here and go up. But the problem was we raised the ceiling height. So when we raised the ceiling height, the stairs would have actually started here. So if we start the stairs there, it'd have been a no-no. So you walk in the house, the stairs would have been right there in front of you. So we eliminated that and we decided to put the stairs here. Now, it did shrink the living room a little bit, but with the high ceilings, it's still going to work out fine and work to our advantage and give the house more of a wow factor. So that's one change that we made downstairs. So let's take a look at the kitchen, and I'll show you what the kitchen is going to be like. So now this is going to be the kitchen. We are going to put a really big island right here, as big as we can get it. We're only going to leave 42 inches on this side and 42 inches on this side, and all of this is going to be island. And behind me is going to be all cabinets, whole wall just filled with cabinets. And then we're going to do a chase so the cabinets will appear to go all the way to the ceiling. So a huge kitchen. Over here, it's going to be an eat-in kitchen. You know, we're still waiting on a couple windows to come in, so we'll have an eat-in kitchen. We kind of made like a little bay area so that it, you know, it feels good, and then we get a lot of natural light in here. So this is the kitchen. Let's look at the rest of the house. So right here, just a standard closet here. And then we have a shared bathroom. So this bathroom could be for guests. You can access it from the hall. And we have a office / bedroom that you can also access the bathroom from. So we tried to condense the bathrooms to just have one area for bathrooms versus having a bathroom here and a half bath there. But this space is gonna look good when we're done. Let's take a look upstairs and I'll show you the layout upstairs. So one of the things that we're gonna do is to give this house a lot of pop, we're gonna do a really nice rail. We haven't decided what type of rail, but trust me, it's gonna be nice and you wanna stay tuned to see what we're gonna do. So welcome to the master bedroom. Normally we vault ceilings, in this case, we didn't. But still, we have 9 feet ceilings up here. Plenty of height. We also created a little bay window here, and we want to put a little bench here. So if you want to sit down and look out the window, you have a built-in bench. Huge walk-in closet here. And in here, we have a humongous master bedroom, master bathroom. We're gonna have the vanities over here, and we have a huge walk-in shower. The shower is actually gonna start here. So imagine having a big door and walking into the shower, and then just having this huge bench. All of this is master shower. Let's take a look at the other bedrooms. These bedrooms are just standard bedrooms. They're gonna share this bathroom, but they're still really good sized bedrooms and with a lot of natural light. So guys, that's the walkthrough. Like I said, we've done framing. The windows are almost in. We're waiting on some doors when we're getting ready to do the mechanicals. So stay tuned. This is GenoJ. Make sure you hit that like button below and subscribe to the channel and watch us as we build this new construction house. Until next time, guys, I'll see you later. I'm out.